YouTube? It's gsxr back with another video, and today we're at the Wawa checking on the tire pressure for the rear tire because right now it's spinning like crazy. So for me to get some proper testing, we're gonna want to bring this down some PSI. I'd say let's do 26. That may be too high. It's maybe too high. I don't know. We'll see. I'm curious to see what it's at now. It should tell me. Okay, it's at 31. Okay, so we'll go down. What did I do? 26? 26 PSI? What is that? Why am I blanking? 5 PSI. Okay, we went down 5 PSI, and that's what we're gonna do is go down 5 PSI in the rear. So we'll be good there. We'll test it out from there, see what happens. Because right now it's just lighting up the tire. It's like throwing all the dirt up here. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but yeah. So we're doing that. Okay, cool. We're at 26 already. I just want to make sure it's not too low where the tire starts to like roll. I don't want that. Oh, not at all. Okay, so we'll try 26 PSI, see if we'll start hooking on that real quick. I gotta go inside, grab a bev. That way we can get back to some testing on this this setup here. The only factor that I have changed since the last time I did a pull, because I did a pull a couple, well, probably like 2-3 times, and it was spinning really bad when I was trying to hit it off first, and so the only factor that I've changed since then would be the tire pressure now. So when I checked it just now, it was at 31 PSI. We went down to 26. So we're gonna see how that goes, see if we can actually hook on it. I am planning to go down a tire size because right now it's at 200 something on it, right? But I do want to plan to go down a size to a 190 to save a little bit of weight there. I just got to get a better tire when I end up going down, because then I'm gonna have even more traction issues. So, but while I have the tire on there now, the tire's still good. It's got plenty of tread. I do want to, take advantage of it and use as much of it as I can, until I go down the tire size. So, but yeah, so want to do some testing on it. It's gonna, head down to Mexico, and once we get there, then we can do our testing. Sit back more or something, we did there, it spun crazy again, and so I want to try heading back to the Wawa, maybe lower the pressure down a little bit more, see what we can do from there. No, I don't know, we'll see, because I did another pull and it like kind of hooked, but it didn't like I didn't really expect it to, I guess. Because of the way it spun the first time. Like the first time it just and was like instant, you know. So hopefully, you know, once we get some more heat in the tire, it'll eventually start hooking its way up, because this is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. Like, yes, the stretch looks cool, but I want it to be functional at the same time. You know what I mean? Like, so I don't know, maybe, I know I could go a little bit more in on the swing arm, like just a little bit. I would have to buy another master link, but I can go in a little bit more. So I don't know if that'll make much of a difference. Maybe I just need to do more testing on it and really get her dialed in from there. But I don't know, we'll see. Hopefully I get some more runs in. Hopefully I get some more runs in, that way I can just throw those clips in here and maybe try and get this traction control situation kind of figured out. All right, so we dropped the tire pressure to 24. 24 is what we dropped the tire pressure to, because we're still having that that problem with it spinning. So dropped it down to the 24. I didn't want to go too crazy on dropping the tire pressure and stuff, so I feel like that should be fine. See what the heck is going on? Also gotta grow some balls and just yank it in first, but it's scary. It's scary, okay? So all I know is I'm glad you guys are taking the journey with me and learning, and you know, because this is the first, you know, bike that I'm trying to, you know, make into a roll race bike. So I've never done something like this before, so it's completely a learning experience. And I'm so happy to be able to just share it with you guys. So that felt better. That felt better. It just I'm still scared. I gotta like lock in and just wham! But it's scary. It's scary. It's freaking scary, man. So something I gotta get used to for sure, but right now I'm not used to that. It's scary. So just gonna take some getting used to it. Alright, well, I guess we're gonna call it for today. I think the 24 PSI is kind of right at that sweet spot for the tire, but I'm gonna go test it, you know, later on when it's not so freaking hot out, because it's boiling. It's ridiculous. So we're gonna test it out another day that it's, you know, a little bit not as hot, and give her a little break, because we've been hitting on her a little bit. So, but yeah, that's all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and hit that bell notification, hit the like, subscribe, whatever you want to do, interact in some way, some shape, or form. That way I can bring more videos like this. And until next time, thank you for watching.